Good day, Miss. This is the PowerPoint presentation of Group 6, Kanta Para Kanmo by Danny Castellones Salieda. Danny Salieda was born on April 27, 1963. Danny is a Filipino multidisciplinary artist and writer from Mindanao. And also, Danny studying for the priesthood, but he shifted to art to become a painter and sculptor. Danny also known for pioneering in nail art and hydrokinetic sculpture, and he received awards for his contribution to literary and visual arts. Kanta para kanmo. Kanalingahi dayang kanak kanta, sin ingdum ng kanak harana, sin uman ngaong yakadungog, yang kasing-kasing ko di masipog, malawom man yang kan mo pagtog, baktason ko yang mga panganod. Ngadto sang hangin ako muanod, sang mga damgo mo ako musod, kayang harana ng kanak gugma, sang kan mo damgo mubuwa. Matamis kong mga sonata, mo hangkop sangkan mo pagmata, musaup man musubang yang buwan, yang kanta kukan mo way utlanan, matemprano man ngining dom, ikaw permi yang kanak hiandom. Figure of speech and symbolism of the piece. First is metaphor, kasing-kasing ko dili masipog, or my heart is not shy. Symbolism, the heart is given the human characteristic of being shy, which is a metaphor for courage and boldness. Second one is hyperbole. Baktason ko yang mga panganod, or I will walk through the clouds. Symbolism, it emphasizes the length the speaker is willing to go for their love. Third is hyperbole gihapon. Yang kanta ko kan mo way utlanan, or my song for you has no end. Symbolism, express the unending nature of the speaker's love and devotion. The moral lesson of the piece, it emphasized the importance of cherishing genuine love and passion. It suggests that true love and heartfelt expression are more valuable than material wealth or technological advancements.